accept a string from the user, print it on the screen. Okay, we discuss this program now. Guys, see. Okay, how to enter a string. Now I want to take a string and I want to print it. First character A of 20 I have taken, character array. Okay, clear screen, it removes the previous output. I want to enter and I want to print it. How to enter this? Printf of, you know this. How to enter a string? Enter any string. Enter any string. Okay, how to enter a string? Yeah, Lohit, tell me how to enter a string. Scanf, what you have to write?
Percentile is
Good. Percentile s to read a string. And where you have to store?
ampersand A.
A. Can I write that only A? Is it valid?
Yes, sir, it's valid.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, I told you right. A or address of A or address of A of 0, these are all valid. Okay, it takes a base address only. We can write A, this is also valid, and scanf percentile address of A, both this is also valid. Percentile s, sorry. Percentile s address of this is also valid. Okay, print the given string. How to print the given string? Now I want to print it. How to print them? See, result is our given string is. Now I want to print a given string. Given string is percentile s A. Guys, see, now I want to enter it and I want to print that string. Enter any string. I enter hello, it is printing hello, right? Yeah. Now I want to enter hello space world. Check it. If I enter the space, it is not reading the spaces. Is it clear? Scanf, using scanf, we cannot read the spaces. We can't read the spaces. If you read the spaces also, if you read spaces, it take it as a null character. Using scanf, we can't read the spaces. That's why we have to use gets of a. Instead of scanf, we have to take gets. Okay. What is scanf? Without spaces, it gives gets it with the spaces it gives. Now we have to enter hello space world. Now check it. Hello space world. Clear? We have to take a getS. What is getS? Get string. It reads the string with the spaces. Okay? It reads the string, gets the string with the spaces. Guys, write this program.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
we can use the ASCII value 32 for space, sir.
No, ASCII value
Scanf
of
statement.
32 is okay. You want to read like that using scanf? Huh? No, Lohit. When we are entering that hello space world, you entered, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if instead of hello space, you are asking that hello 32 world you want to enter, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then how it takes, it won't take it as 32. 3 is a character, 2 is a character, it takes like that. See
Okay.
once. If I enter hello space, instead of space 32 you entered world. Check it. Now what it is taking? It is not taking as a 32. It take it as 3 is a character, 2 is a character. These all are characters. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That's why it with the spaces you want, then user gets. Yeah, write this. Next. Next program, guys. Accept a string from the user. Print given string in vertical. Vertical. Example, if I enter hello like this, we have to print HELLO, vertical. Okay. Each character we have to print in the next line. Each character we have to print in the next line. Right? That is vertical. There is no str ver. There is no string vertical function. String reverse is there. Okay. But now we are discussing without function. Don't use any functions. Don't use any strlen, strrev. Don't use any functions. Without using functions, we write a programs. Okay, now accept a string from the user. Given string in vertical. Print the given string in vertical. Print the given string in vertical. Okay, guys, right? How to write this? See, if you want to read a string, same procedure we have to use. See, I want to print a given string. If you want to print a given string, see, first enter the string. First enter the string. This is a enter the string. Okay. I want to print one by one character. If you want one by one character, take a integer I. This is for looping purpose. Now I want to take integer I. One by one character you have to read. Okay. One by one character. How to read one by one? How to print one by one character? See, guys. Here, what you have to write? Lohit, tell me. One by one character you have to print it in the next line. Okay. Lohit, what you have to write? I equals to 0. Okay. I equals to 0 and I plus plus. You know this. I equals to 0, I plus plus. One by one character you have to read. One by one character. From first character to last character you have to read. See, if you did not write any logic, see what will happen. Sleep 1 second delay. We are reading one by one character. Now what will happen? Slash and one by one character. Next line you have to print. Percentile C A of I. If I write A of I, what will happen? Check it. We are reading from 0th character to I plus plus means next character. It will go to, see guys, what will happen? HELLO, if I enter, first it is printing HE, next L O, next C. Remaining character, garbage values it is a null character. See, I don't want to print these characters, right? Don't print these characters. Up to the null character only you have to print. Up to the null character. See, it will execute continuously. There is no stopping. It will execute all the characters. Clear this?
Yes, sir.
Here what you have to write, this logic condition what you have to write, from first character to last character. What is the last character? Don't write I less than 20. Okay? Don't write like this. Okay, from first character to last character. What is the last character of the string?
Slash zero.
Null character. Now what I will write? A of I is not equals to null, I will write. Okay, see this. Okay, up to the null character, from 0th to up to the null character. First 0, H is not a null, print that H is. E is not a null, print it. L is not a null, print it. L is not a null, O is not a null. After that, slash 0 is there. What is the slash 0? Null character. Null character is not equals to null character, false. See guys, now how it executes? One by one character it is taking. Hello, see, H is not a null, E is not a null, L is not a null, L is not a null, O is not a null. Next is null character. Null is equals to null character, it stops this. Okay, now? You understood this? 0th character to, from 0th location to A of I is not equal to null. In array, in strings, we write this statement for loop for all the programs from 0 to null character. from 0 to null character, from first character to last character. This is a logic in all the programs we write. You understood this logic, Lohit?
Yes, sir.
A of I, first 0, I is 0. Don't write I not equals to A of I. A of I means character. I is a number, right?
Yes.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Same program I want to write using pointers. Okay, see. Write this first. Write this first. First write this. Remaining programs all I will write in using arrays, using indexes. You have to write with the pointers. Now write the next one. Print a given string in vertical using pointers. Same program using pointers. Okay, how to write using pointers I will tell you. See this, guys. Okay, okay, see guys, how to write this. Finish now. Yeah guys, using pointers how to print. First read a string, and take a pointer. Guys, see, I'm taking a pointer, character star p. What is character star p? It's a pointer. Character star p is a pointer, not required I. I is not required. Okay, p is where it is pointing. P is pointing to first location, guys. P is pointing to first location, A. R p equals to address of K. P is pointing to first location. Okay, guys, instead of for loop also you can write. For loop also you can write. When it is a for loop, you have to write like this. For first, don't take this condition. Don't take second condition. We have to write star p. See, we have to write star p. Star p not equals to null. Star p not equals to null. What is star p value, right? See, instead of writing for loop, while is convenient. Okay, no need to write all the values. Just write first p is pointing to this base array. Now what I'm writing, star p not equals to, star p means content, value in that variable, right? That address. Star p not equals to null character. Okay, are you following? See, first I entered hello. See this. If I enter hello, this is H, next E, right? Next E, next L. See guys, this is H, E, L, L and O, and last character is /0. See, where is pointing? P is pointing to this location. P is pointing to this location. P is pointing to this location. What is star P? H not equals to null. It comes inside. First, what it print? H will be printed. Star P will be printed. Next, what to do? I want to print a next character. What I have to write a logic? Lohit. This one has to move, right? P plus plus you have to write. Okay, na? Okay, here what I have to write a statement, guys. See, now printf, next line. We have to print each character in the next line. That's why what I have to write, %cr, %s. %crs. See, here what I have to write? Which value you have to write? Varalakshmi?
Yes.
What do you have to write, Varalakshmi here? %c star p. Is it clear? We are printing P is pointing to that star P, P plus plus, right? P plus plus, one by one character will be printed. One by one character. If you want to test it, write a sleep 1 second delay it gives. 1 second delay. How it is printing? Enter the string. Hello space world. I want to enter hello space world. Check it, one by one character will be printed. H is not a null. Next E is not a null. L is not a null. L, O is not a null. Again space is not a null. W is not a null. Up to the null character it prints. Okay, and also we can see, instead of writing this directly, guys, we can take directly star p. Are you following? Star p not equals to 0. Instead of star p not equals to 0, directly we can write star p. If I write star p, what is star p? If it is null, null means it takes 0. While 0 it takes. If it is null, it takes 0. If it is not null, it takes a number. Number means it is true, it executes. Clear this logic? Clear this, Prithvi?
Yes, sir.
You understood? Instead of star p not equals to 0, we can write star p. If I write star p, if it is a value, it is true. It executes this. It is true, it executes this. Write this program using pointers. Remaining programs also we have to write like this. Okay? Next program I will explain.